Hola, welcome to Professionals FIJI Real Estate. I'm in Nalovu today and we have got some freehold land available for sale, and this is about 35 minutes drive from Nani town, and roughly about give it an hour from Nani International Airport. The location is just passing about 10 minutes drive away from Sonasali Junction, and this parcel of land is freehold land which is available for sale. They are divided in quarter acre parcels, and there is a provision for electricity. As you can see, the poles are already done, and there's also provision for borehole and also for the water supply. So this is available at the moment for sale. The price is ranging from 80,000 plus VAT all the way to 120,000 plus VAT. The location is starting right from the main road, and it's going inside for about 3 kilometers. Now close to this land, there is a few schools which are available around. Some are private and public schools as well, and this would be a good location for anyone who is wanting to build a house away from the town area, because this area is not very close to Nani town. It is about good 30 minutes drive, and the hotels would be Momi is possibly another 10 minutes drive from here. Then you have got Sonasali, Doubletree, Hilton, and why would you want to have this piece of land apart from any other land in Fiji? Is look at the views. It's disrupted mountain views around, and it's a very nice location, very breezy. Perfect for that villa that you have been dreaming to build in Fiji, and to build it on a freehold land. So contact us today. My name is Ravina, and my number is +679 86363315, or you can see this video on our website, which is professionalsfiji.com. Thank you very much for watching.